Hey guys, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to restore WhatsApp messages on your iPhone. Now open up the WhatsApp app on your iPhone and first just tap on the U button at the bottom right. Now that we're in here, you can scroll down and under settings, you're looking for chats right under privacy. Just tap on that. And now let's make sure that you have a chat backup to be able to restore to. So tap on chat backup here and you can see the last backup. Now the last backup in my case was today, but we can always restore to the most previous backup on here. I'll show you a second option to be able to restore if that doesn't work. And to be able to restore to this chat backup, it's fairly easy. All we need to do is press and hold on WhatsApp. And then we'll tap on remove and then delete the app and then delete. However, there is that backup. So all we need to do is go back into the App Store and we're going to search for WhatsApp and download it again. And I'll show you how this works. So let's download the WhatsApp app back onto your iPhone. And once it gets back onto your iPhone, there it is. Let's open it up and I'll show you how it works to restore those messages from that backup. So wait for it to install and open it up. Now, let's hit agree and continue, sure. And now all we need to do is enter in the phone number or use the passkey if that's what you have done. Let me just enter in this Face ID. And now you'll be able to see it should pop up and say, do you want to bring everything from the iCloud backup? So you can see, all right, I do want to bring in everything. Just hit restore and it will bring in all of those messages back into WhatsApp using this iCloud backup. Now that's the first option that you have, but there is a second option depending on whether this was turned on or off, etc. So let me hit continue and sure and done. And then let's hop out of there. The second option is to head into the settings app of your iPhone. And at the very top, just tap on your name. After you've done that, let's see if there's an iCloud backup of your entire iPhone, including WhatsApp. So let's tap on iCloud here and then just tap on iCloud backup. You'll be able to see at the very bottom, you should show up with your latest backup. It should pop up right here as it loads. And then we'll be able to check to make sure that WhatsApp is on this list to be able to restore the entire phone, including that WhatsApp backup. For whatever reason, that's taking a while to show up. But essentially, you're going to just tap on the backup here at the bottom and make sure WhatsApp is toggled on. After you've done that, just check that. Let's go back to the beginning of your settings. And at the beginning of your settings, let's tap on General towards the bottom. And then go down to the very bottom and we're going to tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Essentially what we're going to do is reset your iPhone, but bring in the backup to restore it and restore all of those WhatsApp messages from that backup. So let's tap on Erase All Content and Settings. Now, read through this and hit OK. I would recommend keeping your eSIM because you're still going to use this iPhone to make and receive calls. So hit Keep eSIM and Erase Data. Go through the process of erasing everything, but now you have that backup to restore everything, including those WhatsApp messages that you might have lost or deleted accidentally or anything like that. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below, and I'll catch you on the next one.